Alright, taxiing out. You want to know how bumpy the runway is? Drive this plane. Sheesh.
Oh, you see the tail gun.
Yeah.
Taking its butt.
You ready? You coming up with me at the same time? Okay. Alright, taking off.
Gear up.
Coming out.
Okay. Want to do some formation stuff, or what do you want to do? Okay. So I'll fly it laid back. There we go.
Get it. You got it. No, I already got it. Power. Get up. Get altitude. Come on, get out of the plane.
No, get it. I'm not comfortable.
Low pass.
The wind is taking me. The wind is taking me.
Such a
No,
boy.
no, see that little
Time
wind? It's
remaining
taking
3
me.
minutes.
I can't. No, I wasn't.
Whoa! Hey!
So
Pick on somebody your own side.
No, I couldn't.
I said low pass. We don't hear you upwind. What's that to do with the wind?
Can't hear you.
This is too windy for that plane.
No!
Low pass. Stay high.
Stay high.
Do a
No.
high low pass. Low
Do a high
Go
low
high low pass. Boy, there's a lot of.
Whoa! Hello, sorry, Micah. Sorry. I didn't see you.
Come on, let's do some real shit.
I don't want to freak people out, so. Once I'm gonna make sure we're spaced right. Okay. Ooh, shit. Okay.
I know the vice president. I'm going to complain.
Time
Uh-oh.
remaining 2 minutes.
Well, now I don't know where you are.
I'm over here.
It's okay. That's okay. I'll find you. You doing to me what I did to you. But I'm gonna get on you. That's the difference. See, there you are, and I'm right back on you. See? Hello.
How much time do you guys have left?
We've
Time remaining 1 minute, 18
So I'm gonna
seconds.
yeah.
land
Go ahead and
here
land.
to the right.
Yep.
Hey, landing for the right.
Hello, Frankie.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Runway.
There you go. Hey, that's Frankie. You're doing good.
Yep.
It's hard for me to keep up. I like that. That means you're getting used to it.
30
You
seconds.
set up this 3D airplane, the one that's
Yeah.
above
You want one?
No.
You want one? I'm setting one. I'll show you the picture. Sheep.
You don't like this bus idea?
No, I like it. I just have too many.
Well, I
Go.
think,
Ooh, shit.
9, 8,
Whoa, damn, Frank.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
5.
Frankie's getting used to it. I like it. Yeah. I'm gonna have to take over from you though. Nope, shit. Look at you. I like that. Go, Frank. Oh, cool. We're doing the whole combat thing. Left and right. I gotta come in.
Oh, man.
Timer over 38.
Yeah, I gotta come in. I got power, but I just want to be careful.
Gear down.
If I notice that I set my timer conservative,
Takeoff flaps. Landing
I'll
flaps.
fly a little longer, but I just got to get used to these packs first. All right,
Flaps up.
Frank, that was good, man. You're back. Now you see it doesn't mind getting pushed around like that. It actually likes it. That was good, Frankie. If I'm having a hard time keeping up, you're doing the right thing. And a nice landing to boot. Good stuff. It forces you to land right too, you notice?
It does. And I think I've figured out, maybe, perhaps, mayhaps, how to land it.
Yeah, you can't just... Okay, I'm landing. You gotta set up and get your elevator in the right position, your motor in the right position.